You will love this blue 2008 Dodge Ram 3500. This vehicle is powered by a diesel i6 6.7L/409 engine with an RWD. We priced this Dodge Ram 3500 to sell quickly. You will find that his vehicle is loaded with options like an electronically controlled throttle, a HD engine cooling, a 6-speed manual transmission with a 11.5 rear axle ring gear diameter, a rear-wheel drive, a 136-amp alternator, a trailer tow wiring Inc., 4-pin connector, HD front rear shock absorbers, a front stabilizer bar and a winch-type carrier full-size spare tire.